Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming what kind of paint marker you need and why that matters. Different markers bond to different surfaces. Once you have a photo or sample, make a short checklist: ink type, tip size, and color range. Now begin searching. Scan nearby hardware stores and art suppliers first, using the sample to match tip shape and label codes. If that fails, open online marketplaces and filter by ink type and brand. Make sure to record product codes for comparison later. Once you have candidate markers, compare physical characteristics to narrow choices efficiently. Look at tip shape and stroke width and check drying time and solvent compatibility so you match performance expectations. Then cross-reference product codes and product images. User reviews often reveal real-world pigment and wear. If ambiguity remains, message a seller or local store with your sample photo and specific questions about tip size or refill options. Make sure to ask about returns and authenticity before purchasing. You finish by testing confidently. Always try the chosen marker on scrap material that matches your final surface so you can confirm adhesion and opacity. If stroke is too thin or ink underperforms, replace the tip or prime the marker per manufacturer instructions. Shaking, pressing, or warming can restore flow. If results still don't match, exchange the product or seek compatible refill tips. Alternatively, switch to a different brand with equivalent ink chemistry. If stuck, return to seller with photos and test notes for a remedy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.